Saving and investing are fundamental steps toward achieving financial security and long-term growth. By setting aside money and making it work for you, you can build a safety net for unexpected expenses and plan for future goals. Starting early gives your money more time to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Even small, regular contributions can accumulate significantly over time. For beginners, developing these habits early not only reduces financial stress but also opens up more opportunities down the road. Taking the first step now can make a substantial difference in your financial well-being. Developing effective saving strategies begins with setting clear financial goals. These goals provide direction and motivation. Whether you're saving for a major purchase, a vacation, or future security, creating a budget is the next crucial step as it helps you track income and expenses, ensuring you allocate funds toward your priorities. By consistently monitoring your spending, you can identify areas to cut back and increase your savings. Building an emergency fund is also essential, offering a financial cushion for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. This fund provides peace of mind and helps prevent setbacks on your path to achieving your financial objectives. When considering where to invest your money, it's important to understand the various options available and how they differ in terms of risk and potential returns. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, but they also carry significant risk due to market fluctuations. Bonds, on the other hand, are generally more stable and provide regular interest payments, though their returns tend to be lower than stocks. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to invest in a diversified portfolio, helping to spread risk while aiming for moderate growth. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are similar to mutual funds but are traded like stocks, offering flexibility and typically lower fees. Each investment type has its own balance of risk and reward, making it essential to consider your financial goals and risk tolerance before making a decision. For those new to investing, getting started can feel overwhelming, but a few simple steps can make the process more approachable. Begin by researching and selecting a reputable brokerage that offers user-friendly platforms and low fees. Starting with small amounts allows you to gain experience and confidence without risking significant capital. Consistency is key, so consider making regular contributions, even if they are modest. Over time, these steady investments can add up thanks to the power of compounding. Remember, it's important to focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. By taking these initial steps, you set a solid foundation for your investment journey. When it comes to saving and investing, certain pitfalls can undermine your financial goals. Chasing quick profits often leads to risky decisions and potential losses, as markets can be unpredictable in the short term. Neglecting diversification is another common mistake. By putting all your money into a single asset or sector, you expose yourself to unnecessary risk. It's also important not to overlook fees, which can quietly erode your returns over time. Being mindful of these factors helps you build a more resilient and effective investment strategy. Avoiding these mistakes can make a significant difference in your long-term financial success. In summary, adopting smart financial habits is essential for building a secure and prosperous future. By understanding your income and expenses, setting realistic budgets, and prioritizing savings, you lay a strong foundation for financial well-being. Remember, even small changes in your daily spending can make a significant difference over time. Start by setting clear goals and tracking your progress regularly. Taking these first steps today can lead to greater confidence and stability in managing your finances. The journey to financial health begins with a single, informed decision.